Changing the background color of a Word document to white in Windows 11 is something most people don't think about until they have to. Whether it's fixing an off-putting color or standardizing professional formatting, it's simple but essential. Start by opening the specific Word document with the background you want to change. If you don't have one handy, create a blank document. This ensures you're working within the exact interface of Word in Windows 11. Avoid guessing. Once the document is open, locate the Design tab in the top ribbon menu. It's one of those tabs that we often ignore because we're hyper-focused on writing rather than making things look nice. Click it. Under the Design tab, find the Page Color button on the far right-hand side of the ribbon. It's represented by an icon that looks like a paint bucket tipping over. There's your gateway to customization. Clicking the Page Color button opens a drop-down with a palette of colors. You may see vivid shades, pastels, and more neutral options perfect for various designs. But if you need blank simplicity, stick with white. Here's where a pain point creeps in. Sometimes people forget which white is actually white. Just hover your mouse over each swatch. Word will display the name of the color. You need one called White Background 1. Click the White Background 1 swatch, and the document background will immediately change to white. No Save button is required here. Word applies this change instantaneously. You might hesitate, but trust me, it's done. Pro tip, if you notice the page color isn't updating, verify that you aren't in read mode or web layout. Switch to print layout under the View tab for full functionality. This is a lifesaver. Now, double-check your changes to ensure they look clean. Scroll through your document to make sure every page has transformed into crisp, professional white. No funky coloring should remain. If you're setting white as your default for new documents, do this. Use the same steps, save the document as a template, then make it your default template under Word Options. Extra control wins the day. Many users get stuck here. Word backgrounds often visually change, but text colors mismatch them. If your text was white to blend with a dark background, you'll need to reset it. Highlight all, then switch it to black. Addressing another concern, some documents shared between devices or programs might revert to an unintended background. If this happens often, export the file as a PDF. PDFs lock the page design and avoid surprises. Lastly, remember, Word is powerful, but it isn't perfect. Sometimes it just won't cooperate. Restart Word or even your computer if necessary. I can't tell you how many times that has fixed what seems impossible.